Half Hollow Hills Community Library. You ready for the system? You're gonna like it.
Now you tell us something said about
The elevator is also interesting too. Look, pull. Alright. It's an older impulse. Basement. Yeah, I like that.
If you guys were burned out. And
Of course, there's a meeting room down here. Oh, found the restrooms. Alright, here we go. There's a little bit of surprise outside. There's another one over there, I think. On this side is a better one. I think it's over here. What about the light plate, maybe?
that's definitely a light plate.
That's interesting. Very. I saw B3010, I don't feel like highlighting it. Nice. Yeah. Alright, you go down. Interesting chimes. You can go over, but that's a newer contact.
E or L.
Either one. See, that's an older contact. So this is older impulse. Emergency lights on. E. It's kind of messed up. Look at thumbnails later. That was interesting.